Hello everyone, this is Arvind from Chartview. Now we are going to discuss the post-market analysis for 13th May today. So, as discussed in the previous video, for Bank Nifty, first we will discuss the straddle formation was at 34,000, the first straddle. The second straddle was at 35,000. So, the corresponding resistance to 34,000 was at 346,364, and the corresponding resistance to 3500 is 35089. The support to corresponding to 35,000 is 33619, and the support corresponding to 34,000 power straddle is 333672. So as you see, the market opened with a partial gap of here near 34,000, and there was a resistance from 34,000 after 15 minutes again. So it got a support over here. Actually, as the opening was near the straddle strike level and it was a resistance, it was supposed to come down over here. But at second straddle support line, it got a support, take a support. And there was a slightly buying, selling, and it was till 1340. In this zone, actually, this zone is very critical. If some might have entered here, if he has not exited here only with a stop loss, then he might have got a great loss. Or if somebody has sorted over here or buy puts or there may be call writing, then they might have gained a lot. So this is a very negative market and bearish market also. It is continuing due to the inflation and the interest rate problems nowadays continuing. Inflation that also making the market very jerky, and interest rate, the US federal policy, they are also going to increase the interest rate for two times again. So these are the negative sentiment continuing. So how to trade in this market, it is very difficult nowadays because there may be positive sentiment from this zone actually, as there is a buying from this place again. It is breaking this zone 34,000 35,000 support level from 34,000 strike price level. It is a very painful thing, and it's also try to toss the 34,000 power straddle support line. Definitely it will happen because it has opened near in the straddle zone. Actually, PR and PS, they are forming a zone, powerful zone. And if will mark for some days, if there always a resistance from the strike level, then definitely it will try to toss the support line. And it has happened. Even it has today gone negative to toss the 33,500 support line, that was 33086. So you can say it was a 1,000 point sell off in the bank nifty due to the SBI also, negative sentiment in some banks. And so this was about bank nifty. Also the nifty followed the same trend, as most of the stocks are in nifty 50 banking stocks. Also it is following the same pattern today due to huge sell off. And you see the same thing happened in nifty also. In nifty, the straddle was formed at 16,000, you see, and second straddle was at 17,000 at a higher zone, and corresponding resistance to 16,000 was 16,152, and support was at 15,752. So its near strike was below strike, you can say, as it was a very gap. Then you have to check for the other strikes. So 15,900 resistance value was around C16077. So after opening, you see there is a resistance from 16,000 level, but it got support over 15,900 strike value itself is 5,900. And there was a buying in the Nifty also, including all 50 stocks. And at 1340, as there was a sell off in the banking stocks, so it followed the trend, same pattern to be followed along with Bank Nifty. So during this process, people might have should have exited here only. So some people have bought here. If they have not exited, they should have exited here. Otherwise, there will be huge loss. If somebody have written call or buy puts, then they might have gone a lot. But in this scenario, as this negative sentiment is continuing, so the sell off is in a very high zone. You see, it was 16,073,21576 and around 250 points downward in the Nifty also. So it tossed also. Is there was a resistance, as I was telling. There is a resistance from this first straddle strike. Then definitely it would like to toss the support value of power straddle. Here also it is touching the power straddle. It has not gone down, but 15752, see, from fast straddle strike to fast straddle support line. So this is the pure technicality of the weekly option chain, but taking decision also becomes very difficult. So the market has become very volatile nowadays. So be cautious, be safe, and this is what for the today's post market analysis. We'll discuss the weekly option chain again in the new video for Monday. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Thank you once again. Have a good night.